Hey everybody, James Hudson here with an exclusive look at the Grimm Forest. Let's check it out. The goal of the game is to build the 3 sturdiest houses. If you can do that the quickest, you can win. But if you tie with someone else, it's going to come down to the tiebreaker of the sturdiest house. We need resources to build our houses. We get those in the fields, the forest, the brickyard, and the market. During the game, you're going to go to the locations secretly. Players will reveal their gather cards and then move to those locations and collect those resources. If you go to that location by yourself, then you get all the resources to your board. So for example, if I needed to build more straw, then I would choose the straw location and I would go there, hoping to be there by myself. But the orange player may have decided they wanted straw as well, and so then we would have to split it. So you're going to want to look around the board and try to deduce what everyone else is going to go so that you can go to a place by yourself. Then we enter the build phase where you have 2 actions. Here are your choices. You could build a house section if you have the resources. You could also draw a resource from the pool, or you could draw a fable card. While building a house section, you'll take the resources, turn those in, and get that house type and put it on your board. You may even need to build walls. That costs 4, you'll build those onto your player board. When you build the walls, that's when friends come into play. Some friends have special actions. You'll need to refer to their card to see what they do. So during the game, you're going to get fable cards. These are combination bonuses that allow you to play them with your gather cards. For example, Mysterious Stranger. End of a gather phase, if you are alone at a location, gain a friend card. Monster Fables allow you to put those creatures out on the board and affect those areas. Can change the game instantly. Bridge Strolls are strategic monsters that you can play on certain locations when the time is right to gather a lot of resources and help your cause. Floors cost 2, walls cost 4, and a roof will cost you 6. But if you're the first player to build that type of house, you get the first builder bonus. First builder bonus will allow you to get a friend, 2 fables, or 1 of each resource. When you finish your 3rd house, you trigger the end of the game. And if you have the 3 sturdiest, you're the victor. Once you've mastered the base game, try the advanced cards. They'll really take the game to the next level. The Grimm Forest is a 2 to 4 player game that takes 40 to 60 minutes and is for ages 14 and up. Can you outwit your friends, avoid foul creatures, and build 3 houses before anyone else? Enter the Grimm Forest.